little Shy City style. Not trying to rip him off or nothing. I think he's great, like what he do. I think he's funny, except he hasn't been making videos recently. So, Shy City, where you at? Alrighty, so basically, this is my fridge. What's going on here?
Yeah, check it out. Alright, so starting off with the Dr. Pep, too, actually, because I like Dr. Pepper. A&W, Pepsi, of course, Crush Cream Soda, mug, the Coca-Cola, what you need. Alright, Welch's Grape Juice, Bitter Apple Juice, chocolate milk in the back. Rockstar, hitting up with a 4-pack. 7-Up, Bar Troop beer, oh yeah. Alright, Crush Grape, got the sparkling grape juice. Fruitopia, always, got the Jellos going on. Some Arizona's, a little mix of everything back there. Little teriyaki beef jerky is what's going on. Now the chocolate, Reese's, 1, 2, 3, Bounty, Eat-More, Kit Kat, Score, Baby Milk, woo! Rolo. Chocolate covered 1 of 3. Butterfingers, Kit Kat, Rolo, Caramels, more Butterfingers, Tricks. Easter time's going on. So I got the Eggies. Yay! The first Pocky, strawberry flavor, didn't have chocolate, too bad. Hitting up with Slow Pokes. There we go, Slow Pokes. Ferrero Rocher, some Kinder Surprise. Some Dairy Milk. Rolo Egg, Arrow Egg going on. Some more Bounty. Chocolate covered, 2 of 3. Alright. We got the cookies and cream. Kit Kat, Fish Cat, Crunchy, Score. Oh, Henry. What do you got? Easter time? Easter bunny? 1 pound of chocolate. Yes. Peppermint patty. More Arrow. Mars. Smarties. More Smarties. Of course, got the Lindor chocolates. Can't go without them. Kinder Surprise. Kinder Bug. Thumbtack peppermint patties. M&M's. What? Crispy Crunch. Jack Arrow Pet. The big difference though here, between me and Shy City, is all of this, plus more, is all for me. An extra, a ridiculous amount of chocolate, and well, but that is the point. That's the fridge. Alright, moving on to the cupboards. Check it out. Alright, got the barbecue, salt and vinegar, jalapeno cheddar, sea salt, got the ketchup representing, munchies, more salt and vinegar, salt and vinegar. Sun chips, French onion, harvest cheddar, and of course hickory stick. Moving on, Mr. Noodles, spicy chicken, sour cream, vegetable thins, Swiss cheese, sociables, goldfish of course, pretty standard, some munchies, bits and bites, crispers, ranch, barbecue, crispy mini barbecue, with more sour cream and onion, pretzels, and nacho cheese back there, Pop-Tarts, cashews, what else we got here, dips, fruit by the foot, Twistlers, giant pack of Welch's Fruit Snacks, huge Pop-Tart pack, double pack. What else we got? Popcorn, butter lovers, that's what I meant. Cookies, strawberry turnovers, cookies, yay. Alright, more fruit by the foot up there, we got some gushers. Oops, sorry, I showed you that. Fruit creams, strawberry, maple cookies, because I'm Canadian. Oreos, Chips Ahoy strawberry, not strawberry, rainbows. I got the Fudgios, solid bar, and Skitty Rings. Oh yeah, cupboard full of junk food. And muffin. The freezer. Alright, we got Pop Ice, some Eggo's Originals, couple of frozen drinks. We got the drumsticks, creamsicles, the ice cream sandwiches, the Cool Whip, Coffee Crisp, Rolo, Pizza Pop, Delissio Pizza. We got the McCain chocolate cream pie. We also got the premium ice cream. Holiday. So it is, you can read it, milk and chocolate twist with candy cane pieces. Freezer. And the last cupboard. We got your fuzzy peaches, Starburst, sour cherry blasters. We got the Campinos, the watermelon slices, juicy squirt sour, Sour Patch Kids, cherry slices, juicy squirt citrus, Mikey Mike again. We got the Skittles orange pack, Skittles blue pack, Skittles purple pack, Skittles red pack. We got the Maynard's wine gums. We got the Swedish berry, Skittles green pack, Maynard's again, and Kit Kats, cherry pack. Doesn't this look awesome? I know everyone out there is jealous of the amount of junk food I have in my house. Alright, we got the Ice Breakers. Awesome possum. Lifesavers mint, regular, can you need those? Alright, we got the Worm Gummies. Look at that. Oh yeah. The Peach Rings, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, Peach Rings, yeah. Gummy Treats, oh yeah. And last but not least, Sour Bears. Look at that. The Kool-Aid for drinks, iced tea for drinks. So that is basically what's going on right now with Down South Challenge. I'm going to eat all of this, all of that, all of that, all of that, and all of that, plus a list of fast food ranging from McDonald's, Wendy's, all that fun stuff, until I'm sick of it. Yeah, alright. If you find this interesting, please subscribe. Alright, peace out, folks.
Muffins in the way. Sun chips. French onion. Crunch. Ow. Crunch. You see, I've got a corner right here. And I've got a head. Let's see if we can check that out. Let's go over here. Oh. 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 Oof. Ow. Well, I don't know if we're going to put that in, but